Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you guys how to change the size of your desktop items. As you can see, I have a lot of them on the side here. Let me move CapCut to the middle so you can see a good comparison. So the first way to do this is you can click Control on your keyboard, and then if you have a mouse, you scroll. As you can see, when I scroll up, it turns large. When I scroll down, they become smaller. I like mine about this size over here. The other thing you can do is you can right click on your desktop and then you go to View, and then as you can see, you have the shortcuts Control-Shift-2, Control-Shift-3, and Control-Shift-4. Or you can just click them and go with small icons, large icons, and medium icons. You can also hide your desktop icons by clicking this, and now your desktop is clean. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing and liking to support my channel. Thank you.